Hi everybody, today I'm working on my camper screens on the windows. I'll put a link up above here and it'll explain to you why I had to put screens on my windows. It has something to do with the way the windows work. So the application that I used before was a fail and it didn't work. So I have Velcro here and then the screen was to go on the sticky side of the Velcro. And even with crazy glue it didn't stick. So now I'm redoing it. I know the sun is coming right at me, so it's probably dark for you. But what I'm doing now is I'm trying E6000, and then I'm putting some crazy glue, or not, sorry, hot glue, on with the E6000 because the E6000 takes 24 hours to set. So that'll just give it a little bit more security there until that sets. But I did want to show you that I'm powering my hot glue gun with this EverStart Maxx. Now, I bought this at Walmart, and this is a low temp glue gun, so that may make a difference, but it has enough power, it's melting the glue. So that's it for today. Talk to y'all later. Check out the other video. Bye.